Patakbo. Here's Derrick Brown all the way to the basket. Yes! And one play. And Pure Foods is on a rampage. And they come back the other way. Tumatakbo si Derrick. Siegle. Nice pass. Siegle with a dunk. Bounce pass. Laban kay Bumaren. Dynamite Danny. Sumabay ka pa. Sos Mariosep. Who has always just been there. Ito si Abuda. Pag-ganyan-ganyan na lamang. Pero makikita mo, ayun, gumulong papasok yung tira ni Siegle for his first 2 points of the game. He hit 83% of his shots from 2-point range. There's Derrick Brown, finally sumagot. Seconds remaining. Siegle, high up in the air.
No double. No double.
One-on-one coverage, almost impossible. Brown pulls the trigger again. And this is a streak shooter.
Medyo nakuha niya yung range niya doon.
Tao doon. Danny's ahead. Here's Dynamite exploding to the basket. No fear slam from Dynamite Danny, and the lead is down to 2. You're pro.
Timeout, partner. Ito na si Danny Siegle.
Hindi na makakita. Patay na.
Tabla na. What a game, partner. What a game. Three great players. Three Musketeers.
Wala pa si Ildefonso dyan. Excellent move mula kay Derrick Brown. Spinning left, going right. And kung sino magiging kampiyon ng Governor's Cup. Sablay. Siegle goes up. He has 10 in the game. Naman ang starters ng Pure Foods.
Tama yung partner. Yung sinasabi natin, the coaching will determine also here the timing of the game, no?
And Siegle is getting hot.
Correct. Medyo yung diesel nag-init na. Ito na naman si Derrick
naman.
Brown.
Nice line.
Pumasok naman ito.
In-adjust niya.
Pala, no?
Oo.
Na hindi siya binigyan ng magandang kontrata.
And that was like 3 years ago. Derrick Brown
riding partner para siyang Michael Jordan.
Kaya naman pala flight eh. Siegle laban kay Derrick Brown. The Dynamite has been choked here, but he gets a basket, and this is his quarter.
Fourth quarter.
This is where he likes to play. Brown binigyan ng screen ni Patrimonio. Patay na naman. What a game. Derrick Siegle is wide open. And he has double-handed stuff. No fear slam mula kay Danny Siegle.
This is what happens to you, partner, when you...
Here's Derrick Brown all the way to the basket. Yes! And one play. And Pure Foods is on a rampage.
Inihintayin natin ngayon yung San Miguel balik.
Ang balik na San Miguel. Brown, nakompleto ang kanyang 3-point play. Sabay. Struthers, inalabas na agaw ni Derrick Brown. Hinahabol ni Siegle. Brown flying in the air. Wow!
Acrobatic, partner.
Ito yung huling laban ni Derrick Brown. Watch this. After crossing the free throw line, that is way out there. Danny Siegle from long distance. We said this is going to be his quarter. And he's showing it now. Brown again. This time he makes sure. Another PLDT.
Ito na si Danny Siegle.
Siegle is fouled. That will count.
Nararamdaman mo na.
Danny Siegle with a bonus free throw. Lamang po San Miguel lang isa. Dynamite Danny has scored a total of 22. 10 dito sa huling yugto. Back the other way. Tumatakbo si Danny Siegle. Nice pass. Siegle with a dunk.
Danny Siegle's quarter, partner.
This bounce pass. Laban kay Bumaren. Dynamite Danny. Sumabay ka pa. Sos Mariosep. Well, they had possession with 57 seconds to go, down by 3. Brown takes a 3-point, and that'll do it.
As you said, malalaki yung Pure Foods.
Although hindi na kailangan because San Miguel today puts this away.